Do you know how your orders arrive? By the hands of many workers who use tools that are being improved to follow the new technologies. Icbras invests in new projects regarding the engineering and development of products with these new technologies. In manufacturing our trunks, we use 99% of recycled high-density polyethylene coming from discarded shampoo and detergent bottles, canisters, and other packages, which would otherwise turn into waste and harm the environment, but become the raw material in the manufacturing of our trunks instead, going through a process of selection, grinding, additivation, extrusion, and assembly. For the manufacture of Icbras trunks, we use the blowing and injection process. This process makes it possible to use 99% of recycled material. Icbras uses an average of 150 recycled packages for each manufactured trunk. We have already removed from the environment in 2 years more than 70 tons of packages until the first quarter of 2022. And our goal is to increase this number even more. With new projects, together with partner companies, it is possible to exponentially leverage the introduction of new products, so that we can make the world a more sustainable place. Icbras, recycling the old and creating the new with technology and respect for nature.